Alright, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pieces of paperwork. I'll just start with the top here. This is page 1 of 3. Okay, yeah, I got 3 pages, which this is the actual court charges. So this is all the information, my personal information. Oh, the guy, oh, this is a protection order, my bad. Who is this guy? I vaguely remember his face. I think I have it on video. I gotta like look at my video so that I know exactly who I need to stay away from. I didn't spend, I saw him kind of in the dark. And okay, so the court finds I am not governed by the Brady Handgun Violence Prevention Act. Because of this, I shall not harass, molest, intimidate, retaliate against, or tamper with Gordon. I shall refrain from contacting or indirectly communicating with him. I shall not possess alcohol. That was a little surprise. Okay. I should have, he should have this paperwork for himself too. Alright, set this off. Alright, and then I sign order that's P.O. Cond of bonds, no contact, no exceptions. Final distribution. Yeah, was just put out. James Garrick. I don't see any paperwork that says where the district attorney's name is, and the jail guard said that I would find the district attorney's name in my paperwork, and she lied to me. Obviously, it's just one lie after another with these people. Okay, important information about protection orders. Oh my god, this order is in effect until the distribution of this action. Enforce every civil, criminal. Knowing violation is a crime. Arrested without notice. The terms cannot be changed. You may apply at any time for modification. No firearms. Enforce this protection. You shall arrest, take into custody, enforce this order. Notice to protected. You may request to prosecute it. Yeah, like the protected person is going to see this. You may request the prosecuting to initiate contempt proceedings against the defendant. Okay. So that's the protection order. Jeez. Alright. Then we got page 1 of 2, 2 of 2. No, this, okay, the appearance bonds. This is the actual court case number, arrest number, PR self, PR, personal recognizance, bond for defendant, 1,500. That's a lot of money. And my original bond was like 750, and so they doubled it after the court case. It's crazy. Alright, so I need to show up 8/6 on, it looks more like 8/8/17, 8:30 a.m. That's pretty early. Obstructing a police officer, which I got the title, so it'd be Title 18 for obstruct, and then harassment, which I guess is my biggest charge, Title 18, Section 9-111, and then they didn't want to put the the statutes in here. They just like writing it. So I had to request what the statutes were. And I put it on this page. Disorderly conduct, Title 18, Section 9106. If the return date is a legal holiday, first business day afterward. Okay. Party may not leave the state. Party acknowledges the existence of a mandatory protection order. That's checked. No contact with somebody. Okay, that's the judge's signature. He signed that. Alright. That's page 1 of 2. Page 2 of 2. And then you got my information and case number. I put no address. I signed right there. Alright. Bonding agent certification. Penalty, agent is not currently in default of payment. Payment. Pay here, pay there. I just love the writing in payments. Routt County Jail. Deputy Clerk Sheriff Wade. Yeah, that's the thing with the other paperwork. Oh wait, I'm coming up on. No, oh Wade. Okay. Maybe that's somebody else. Okay. All right. This is the other. Voluntary agreement to collect past dues. See, the key is voluntary. Garrett Wiggins. Is that? Oh no, that's somebody else. Garrett voluntary. I said refused. I'm like, I'm not agreeing to give you any money because it's a voluntary. All right. I thought it looked very. This is very shady because I bet a lot of people agree when they don't need to giving the jail money for no good reason. They say I should be giving them $40. And I'm like, no. I refuse every time. That's crazy. This is like a donation box for the jail. You can give if you want to. Okay. And they're trying to make it look all professional. It's extortion. Alright, and then the last is what I had on my possession. Received, and then what's this? This is the address for, I think this is Lift Up. When I asked for a bus voucher, they wouldn't give it. They're more likely to collect past dues than they are to give bus vouchers. They'd rather take in money than give out. I had to walk all the way back pretty much. They said that maybe Lift Up would give a bus voucher. I'm like, where is this place? And they're like, I don't know. So I didn't even go. I don't know where. I just started heading back to my car. I didn't know. They just kind of give me this information. I had no way to research it. I couldn't be walking in circles trying to find it. It's so unfair what these people do. Okay, and this is the property they took, and I believe I got everything back. Certified dates, pants, shoes, cell phone, keys. This is just how they describe things and stuff. It was just all in a bin, and I'm a little surprised Wade T doesn't have a full name. He can scratch this illegible stuff in here, but you can't make out what that is. That was one of the jailers, Wade T. Not the nicest guy. Okay, so that's all the paperwork I have so far that they gave me immediately when I was released. Oh no, wait a second. What am I thinking? I didn't even show the ticket. Well, that's the information that I was given right away. Oh, that's because... Okay, just a second here. Alright, now I just have a little bit more. This is what I got when I returned back to my car. This stupid thing. This is Keegan. This is the guy who arrested me. 12 hours later, he puts this on my car. And says I have 48 hours to move it. And it was past 48 hours, so it was ready to be towed at any time if I didn't get there. This actually got me a ride for a good, I think a good maybe 10, 15 miles of my walk. This guy pulled over. He was going to the airport. And I had this on my backpack. I showed it a little bit. But I scratched this out just in case I was going to miss a bus. I was pretty sure I was going to get a bus voucher, but then these people said no, and just showed me that paperwork where I owe money instead. They'd rather charge you money. I got this right when I first come in, because I was like, you know, hey, you know, I need to figure out how to get back to my car. So they printed off the steamboat bus schedule, but I completely missed it because I didn't have any money. I didn't really want to argue with the bus driver about him letting me ride for free just because I got out of jail. This is not the ticket though. Where's the ticket? Here it is. Okay. And then this was in my evidence bag. I never seen this until I got released. Summons. This is a ticket that, oh man, what's his name again? Kregar. God, I hate that name. That's probably why I keep forgetting it. Kregar. Alright, so this is all my information. Home telephone. Hayden Springs. Routt County Court. Not the Hayden Municipal. Because the charges are not just small charges, I guess. Especially with the harassment. Fingerprinted. Custody. So it's, I'm sure there's some information on the back. Oh, we can't really read that. Maybe this will help. Legal document. Read both sides. Okay, special requirement for minors. Maybe I'll do this. Appear in court at time and place. That's for traffic. Summons. Appear in court. Issue a warrant. This is where they first mention warrants. They don't talk warrants in any of the other paperwork. Pay a fee. Pay. Penalty. Pay the penalty. Traffic infraction. It's not easy to read. Address shown. Appearance, time and place. Unable to renew or secure. Okay. Paying the penalty. Acknowledge guilt. Deny hearings. Referee. Now, how do they implement the referee? That's interesting. Guilty. Testify. Automatic point reduction. Now, that's for driving. Yeah, I never get driving infractions. It's just all just being parked and them approaching me. Send a check. Credit for payment. Okay, so that's the ticket that this Kregar, is that how you, yeah, Kregar. Alright, so that's it.